This Cisco Packet Tracer demonstration is for context-based access control. Context-based access control is a feature on Cisco routers that allow it to behave as a packet filtering and stateful application firewall. The IOSFW router will be configured to act as a firewall to allow the Internet user computer to communicate with the FTP web server but restrict access to the net admin computer. The Internet user is on a /24 network with a network address of 218.96.19.0 which is connected to the IOSFW router. The IOSFW router is connected to an interior router on a /24 network with a network address of 192.168.20.0. The interior router connects to a switch which connects to the FTP web server and net admin on a /24 network with a network address of 192.168.30.0. Since all networks are /24 networks, all networks will have a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and a wildcard mask of 0.0.0.255. Give the Internet user an IP address of 218.96.19.119 with a default gateway of 218.96.19.120. Give the net admin an IP address of 192.168.30.4 with a default gateway of 192.168.30.3. Give the FTP web server an IP address of 192.168.30.5 with a default gateway of 192.168.30.3. Use its IP address as the DNS server IP's address. Go to the server's web browser and type in its IP address followed by /hello world HTML and hit the Go button. Go to the Server's Services tab and select FTP Services, create an anonymous username with anonymous password with read and list privileges. Enter the configuration module for the IOSFW router. For the IOSFW router, set its hostname to IOSFW. Set the gigabit 0/0/0 interface to an IP address with 218.96.19.120 with a /24 subnet mask. Use the no-shut command to activate the interface. Set the gigabit 0/0/1 interface to an IP address with 192.168.20.2 with a /24 subnet mask. Use the no-shut command to activate the interface face. Exit the configuration module. Use the copy run start command which copies the current running configuration of a Cisco device to its startup configuration. Enter the configuration module for the interior router. For the interior router, set its hostname to interior router. Set the gigabit 0/0/0 interface to an IP address with 192.168.20.3 with a /24 subnet mask. Use the no-shut command to activate the interface. Set the gigabit 0/0/1 interface to an IP address with 192.168.30.3 with a /24 subnet mask. Exit the configuration module. Finish with the copy run start command. Create a static route from the IOSFW router to the internal network by entering the configuration module on the IOSFW router, and enter the command IP route 192.168.30.0/24 subnet mask plus 192.168.20.3, which is the next hop, which is the gigabit 0/0/0 interface on the interior router. Exit the configuration module. As always, end with the copy run start command. Create a static route from the interior router to the Internet user by entering the configuration module on the interior router, and enter the command IP route 218.96.19.0/24 subnet mask plus 192.168.20.2, which is the next hop, which is the gigabit 0/0/1 interface on the IOSFW router. Exit the configuration module. As always, end with the copy run start command. Test connectivity by pinging both the netadmin and FTP web server from the Internet user. In the Internet user's web browser, put in the IP address of the FTP web server. Enter the configuration module on the IOSFW router, turn on logging and enable an audit trail to provide a record of network access through the router/firewall, with the logging on command, and IP inspect audit trail command. Protect your router from TCP flood by limiting the thresholds for maximum, incomplete half-open sessions. Use the default settings, with IP inspect max incomplete high 400 command, and the IP inspect 1 minute high 400 command. Establish global timeouts and thresholds with the IP inspect TCP SYN wait time 30 command. Exit the configuration module and finish with the copy run start command. Use the following commands to set some CBAC inspect rules. Now let's establish access control lists. First, let's establish ACLs from the internal network to the Internet user. Enter the configuration module on the IOSFW router. Enter the IP access list extended inside_out command, followed by permit TCP 192.168.30.0 followed by a /24 wildcard mask NEEQ FTP command, followed by permit TCP 192.168.30.0 followed by a /24 wildcard mask NEEQ WWW command, followed by permit ICMP 192.168.30.0 followed by a /24 wildcard mask any command. Put this access control list on the internal interface on the ISView router, which is the gigabit 0/0/1 interface on the ISView router, by using the IP access group inside_out in command. Exit the configuration module and end with the copy run start command. Next, let's establish ACLs from the Internet user to the internal network. Enter the configuration module on the IOSFW router. Enter the IP access list extended outside_in command, followed by permit ICMP 218.96.19.0 followed by a /24 wildcard mask host 192.168.30.5 command, followed by permit TCP 218.96.19.0 followed by a /24 wildcard mask host 192.168.30.5 EQ FTP command, followed by permit TCP 218.96.19.0 followed by a /24 wildcard mask host 192.168.30.5 EQ WWW command. Put this access control list on the external interface on the ISView router, which is the gigabit 0/0/0 interface on the ISView router, by using the IP access group outside_in command. Exit the configuration module and end with the copy run start command. Test connectivity from the Internet user to the netadmin and the FTP web server. Connectivity is possible to the server but not the netadmin, thus the firewall has been successfully configured. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing, leaving a like and comment, sharing this video, and checking out other videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.